What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. We are continuing to get the multiples of, I'm trying to return a vector. This is a tutorial for C++, and they have us doing a challenge, which is, they were pretty easy at first. And the only thing is returning the vector. That's, like right now, the way it is, returning, let's see. Invalid use of template name vector. Usually, like for example, this one returns an int, so it's like okay, we're returning an int. This one's returning the vector, so this makes sense here, but it's not. For some reason, it's just not doing it. Let's just, I guess, look it up again. Let's see if we can find it here. So, function, let's see, returns vector. Function that returns vector. Efficient way to return vector. Is that how it is? In C++? That's what I was doing, right? Is that what I was doing? std vector? What's this? What's the X? Is it? Oh, do I have to state a Also, let's go back. I have to state the type of. So let's say int. Is that what it is? For this, I don't have to state that, do I? There it is. Okay. You learn something new every day. They didn't teach us this. And okay, so you have to state the type of vector it is. Why do you have to state it so many times? That's kind of weird, huh? We'll probably learn about that in more advanced courses. But yeah, why do we have to state it at every point? All right, next, the water plant. What do we got to do here? Let's define a function needs. We're probably gonna use a for loop. A boolean. Probably what it's gonna be. Let's see. Define a function needs water that accepts. First argument. Let's see. Int number of days. Second argument. A bool is. Wait, what? Succulents. I think it's what it means. A value of true or false would indicate that the plant is succulent. Let's see what else. Inside of the function, you'll need some conditional logic. If, notice how this one is not telling us what it's returning just yet. I see. It's returning us a string. Right? So if we're going to use strings, we're going to go with include string. I want to use, let me use this one. Namespace std. When I do a tab, okay. Just wondering if it was two spaces. I was doing some other exercises in a different website, and for whatever reason, the tabs were 3 spaces. That's weird. I've only ever seen 2 or 4. Just making sure. So using namespace. So it's gonna return a string. So it's gonna say string. And then so here's the if statement. So if succulent, I don't know how you say that. If succulent is false and days is greater than 3, you know what it's gonna be? I don't know if I want to do a lot of returns. What I want to have is, we'll have I'll have a string named message. Like that. We won't start it. We'll just leave it like that. And then if this, we'll have message equals, what is it? Time to water the plant. And then if, I think we need another if or an else if. We'll do else if. Else if. Can't type today. Say that every video. True. I'm gonna try to hold myself from saying can't type today. So if it's succulent is true, and days is 12 or less. Days is 12 or less. So is that a thing? Is that an operator? 12 or less? They haven't taught us this yet, so let's see. Less than or equal to. Why don't I just use it, and then if I get an error, then I get an error. If I don't get an error, then we're good. Alright, what else? What else we got here? Let's see. Else if, let's see. Alright, so if that's the case, well then message would be don't water the plant. Don't water the plant. And then we have one more. Actually, we have two more. We have an else if, and then we have an else. Actually, the else is not going to require a statement. Otherwise, return message. It's going to be don't water the plant, which I could paste from here, from my own typing. I won't paste it from over there, but from what I typed, yes. Okay, so else if is succulent. Damn. I'm not gonna say it. Not gonna say it. True. Greater than or equal to 13 days. Greater than or equal to 13. Return. Okay, so we got a bit of a longer message. Alright. Let's see if it works. Oh, I do gotta return. Gotta return the message. Right here. Oh, I have, okay. Day, okay. Where is that at? Right here. So it read this all the way down to here. So it looks like it's working. It didn't pass it, did it? Needs water. Defined. Needs water. It's there. Needs water. Needs water is defined. It goes through. Time to water the plant. So 10 and false. Greater than 3, less than or equal to. It's good. Yeah, I don't know why it's less than or equal to. Less than or equal to 4. So you could in C++. Less than or equal to. Yeah, we're good. I guess we'll debug it in the next video. We'll leave it at that for now. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good ass day. Peace out.